Kokomi Farmers Wing has drawn the attention of relevant departments on drought situation prevailing in paddy fields of various areas in the state. The lack of adequate rainfall this year has affected many farmers in the state. Paddy fields in Konthojam Maning Lokon could not be sown with paddy seeds as the area do not have sufficient water. Speaking on the sideline of an inspection visit at paddy fields of Konthojam Maning Lokon, co-convener of Kokomi Farmers Wing, Konthojam Thoiba said, sowing of paddy seeds have been delayed due to non-availability of water, and Agriculture Department and other relevant department of government need to intervene before it is too late for farmers to carry out agriculture activity this year. He added that the state is badly affected by the prolonged crisis. Many agricultural land remain inaccessible for farming, therefore it can cause a huge dent to economy of the state. Further, Thoiba demanded assistance from government at the earliest to ensure farmers in Konthojam Maning Lokon carry out agricultural activities.
Expert scientists in Haibiba, July ki tang tara mangagi mamanga, ki pambel amadi pongul, logon singsi to gida bane. Sonda rabada August ki tang kumat koi phabugi mamang sida low singsi same satna thamogda batara di haribu matam sida low panda batari ikam loktopa government ki sab saba August 21 ki matung low panda ya drought na loktopa ki government ki non sule de aduga lomina su hari posi ini lai sudna hari bolopam sing pambi sing si chau patatra poto poto roi hai aduna hojik lai riba pm ji July ki tang 35 yore hojik phauda lai riba lobuk singjina sigi pm da lai batargadi amadi manipur ki tongan tongan mafam da sugum ikang thokam mayam ama lai ri si karmai tawduna lobji pangada gi haibasi mari leina ba department na amadi agriculture department na atu da meeting call tawraga akoi irrigation paribo water resource MI sing asida karmai to ising pangada gi pampi bu oraga su karonda ising lawraga akoi gi lobuk sing ji piraga puthok taba yadi haibasi thuksin tawang si tanabagi tanja je lawda bone